Imagine waking up tomorrow covered in thick brown fur. Your arms. Your face. Your chest. Everything. You would look more like a chimpanzee than a human. And strangely enough, that is exactly where our story begins. Around 7 million years ago, our ancestors were covered in fur. Just like almost every other mammal alive today. Fur is useful. It keeps you warm. It protects your skin. It helps survive cold nights. So why did humans get rid of it? Why would evolution throw away something so valuable? The answer begins in Africa. Millions of years ago, forests started shrinking. Open grassland spread across the landscape. Our ancestors spent less time climbing trees. They spent more time walking under the burning sun. At first, that might not sound important. But it changed everything. Most animals cool down by panting. Dogs do it. Lions do it. Even many primates do it. Humans are different. We sweat. A lot. In fact, humans can produce several liters of sweat in a single day. Sweat evaporates. Evaporation removes heat. And that turns your entire skin into a cooling system. But there was a problem. Fur blocks evaporation. Thick fur traps heat. The hotter the environment became, the more fur became a disadvantage. Over thousands of generations, individuals with less body hair stayed cooler. They could travel farther. They could hunt longer. They could survive harsh afternoons. Those small advantages added up. Generation after generation. Until humans became one of the least hairy mammals on Earth. But there is another mystery. If losing fur helped us survive, why do we still have hair on our heads? The answer is surprisingly simple. Your head houses your brain. The human brain uses enormous amounts of energy. That energy creates heat. Hair acts like a shield. It reduces direct sunlight on the scalp. While the rest of the body became cooler through sweating, the head kept its protective covering. A perfect compromise. Less hair where cooling matters. More hair where protection matters. Scientists have spent decades studying this question. Researchers such as Nina Jablonski have linked human skin and hair evolution to sunlight, temperature, and geography. Their work suggests our bodies were shaped by a constant battle against heat. Not predators. Not disease. Heat. The sun quietly influenced what humans would become. And losing fur created another challenge. Bare skin burns. Sunlight damages cells. That pressure helped drive changes in skin pigmentation across different populations. In other words, losing fur didn't just change our appearance. It changed the course of human evolution. Every drop of sweat on a summer day tells part of that story. Every hair on your head is a reminder of it. And every time you feel the heat of the sun, you are experiencing the same force that reshaped our ancestors millions of years ago. We often think humans conquered nature. But one of the most important changes in our history happened because we were trying to survive a warmer afternoon. The body you live in today is not proof that evolution stopped. It is proof that evolution remembers.